In this video, we will understand the coordinate formula for area of triangle. Consider point A with coordinates x1 by 1, point B with coordinates x2 by 2, and point C with coordinates x3 by 3, acting as vertices of triangle ABC. As all the distances are measured from origin, therefore the length of segment OD equals x2, while the segment OE measures x1. From figure, the length of segment DE equals x1 minus x2. Now in trapezium ABDE, segment BD acts as the first parallel side and equals y2, while segment AE acts as the second parallel side and equals y1. Segment DE acts as height and measures x1 minus x2. Therefore, area of trapezium ABDE equals half into sum of parallel sides into height. On putting the corresponding values, we get half into y2 plus y1 into x1 minus x2. Similarly, in trapezium AEFC, segment AE acts as the first parallel side and equals y1, while CF acts as the second parallel side and equals y3. Segment EF acts as the height and measures x3 minus x1. Therefore, on substituting the corresponding values, we get area of trapezium AEFC equals half into y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1. Now in trapezium BDFC, segment BD acts as the first parallel side and equals y2. Segment CF acts as the second parallel side and equals y3. Segment DF acts as the height and measures x3 minus x2. On substituting the corresponding values, we get area of trapezium BDFC as half times y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x2. Now, area of triangle ABC equals area of trapezium ABDE plus area of trapezium AEFC minus area of trapezium BDFC. On taking half as common, we get. Now on simplifying each term by multiplying, we get. On multiplying with negative sign, the sign of each term within bracket changes. On cancelling terms, minus y2x2 with positive y2x2, positive y1x1 with negative y1x1, and positive y3x3 with negative y3x3, the equation is reduced to half into y2x1 minus y1x2 plus y1x3 minus y3x1 minus y2x3 plus y3x2. On rearranging the terms with x1, x2 and x3, we get area of triangle ABC equals half into y2x1 minus y3x1 plus y3x2 minus y1x2 plus y1x3 minus y2x3. On taking x1, x2 and x3 common, we get half times x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This simplified equation is the coordinate formula for area of triangle. Interestingly, there also exists memory aid to the formula. As per the memory aid, write subscript of the coordinates as 1, 2, 3 in anti-clockwise order. For the subscript of x in the first term, move from 1 in anti-clockwise direction to get 2 and 3 as subscript of y. Similarly, for the subscript of x in the second term, move from 2 in anti-clockwise direction to get 3 and 1 as subscript for y. For the subscript of x in the last term, move from 3 to get 1 and 2 as subscript of y. Hence, the coordinate formula for area of triangle is obtained. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.